Good evening, everyone. For our third lesson, we will be discussing about classes and objects. So, start from scratch, of course. System and class name, person. So basically, um, these are three public fields, and this age stores an integer for the person's age, and this name stores a string value for the person's name, and the salary, of course, stores a double value for the person's salary. And these are the class we will be discussing. And after that, go to the program with our main method. String So we will be calling our object next. So call our class. This is our object person. So this object will store data for that one specific person here. This object. So we need to is call it pick up there. Use your object to call the public fields in your class. Same with the age, and the salary. Just an imaginary number. Oops, but my string. Sorry. 50. Just call it headline. Name. Just copy paste so it's faster. And then change it. Age. Salary. No errors with brackets. No. Run. This should Jacob 17 and 50,000. So that's it for third lesson. Again, really easy, just like the second lesson. And I hope you learned something from classes and objects. Thank you for watching.